In the heart of Odisha, a vision came to life, a vision to transform healthcare and redefine excellence. On 23rd December 2022, NexonLife Remedies began its journey. What started as a small spark has now become a blazing trail of success in the pharmaceutical industry. With just 2 dedicated field force professionals and the visionary leadership of our managing director, Mr. Lambodar Mahapatra, NexonLife Remedies set out with determination. Starting with sales of 35,000 rupees, we have achieved an extraordinary milestone, reaching to rupees 3 crore in a year. We are now operating all major headquarters across Odisha with more than 25 field forces, connected within a network of 40 plus stockists, 1500 plus chemists and 3600 plus doctors. Today, NexonLife Remedies proudly offers a portfolio of 39 high-quality products, earning a trusted name in nephrology, neurology, and gastroenterology. Our commitment to quality is strengthened by collaborations with some of the most respected multinational manufacturers, including Logos Pharma, JM Laboratory, Lifecare Neuro Product, DM Pharma, and SAR Biotech. Our dedication has propelled us to become one of Odisha's top 5 pharmaceutical companies. But our aspirations don't end here. NexonLife Remedies is on a mission to claim the #1 spot, driven by an unwavering focus on innovation and improving lives. Looking to the future, NexonLife Remedies is gearing up for pan-India operations by 2026, ensuring access to our trusted products across the nation. To further this growth, we are set to launch the Max Division, an initiative that will enhance the prosperity of our valued field force while strengthening our foundation for greater achievements. Our strength lies in the trust we have built with healthcare professionals, our partners, and the communities we serve. Every product we create reflects our commitment to quality, care, and a healthier tomorrow. This is the story of NexonLife Remedies, a journey of innovation, growth, and care. Together, we are shaping a future of health, hope, and prosperity. Join us as we continue to transform the healthcare landscape, one milestone at a time. NexonLife Remedies, committed to care, driven by excellence.